Hello everyone, it's Johnny Briaco, Angelic Soul Pilot with you again. Just by the beach. Just take this time to join me here as we connect with the water. Imagine standing along the rocks here, feeling that nice cool breeze on your skin, the energy in the air, the energy of new positive change. The energy of renewal, regeneration. Just take your time, absorbing that energy, taking it in, allowing yourself to be filled up with that energy, letting any other concerns be blown right off of you and right out of you. Taking in new energy. Focus on that water now. Hear those waves, those gentle waves coming. Splashing up against the rocks. And just absorb that peaceful energy. The calmness of the water. Beautiful flowing energy of the water. And allow that energy to flow to you now. Imagine dipping your toes in that water. Feeling how cool and refreshing it is. Feeling that cool water on your skin, on your toes, on your feet, and on your ankles. Just feel that life-giving water, that energy with it, entering your feet, spreading out throughout your entire body. Comfortable with it, and start to walk into that water even more, bringing your legs in there to your knees and feel that coolness, that cool life-giving energy going all the way up to your knees now, allowing you to stand tall in who you are, allowing you to bend and adapt when you need to, allowing you to flow. Just feel all these energies. That cool wind blowing now. That powerful energy of change. And allow any other energies no longer serving you to be blown away out of your system. and for new energies to be coming in. As the waves come in, allow that same recycling to come happen. Letting go of the old, and allowing the new to come in with every wave, with every gust of wind and air. And then stand in the water some more, going further in now to your waist, feeling happier body in the water now, getting cleansed and rejuvenated and energized, feeling it going all the way up to your waist now, and then going further and allowing that water to come up to your chest and to your neck, feeling your entire body now being renewed and regenerated, made whole again. And take some of that water and pour it over your head and your face, washing your eyes clean so you can see clearly, washing your ears so you can hear clearly, washing your head so you can think clearly. Just breathe in all of that new energy now, that life-giving energy of water and air, positive change energy flowing all over you, breathing, feeling it on your head, on your face, going throughout your body. Just rest in that water now as you stand and relax and allow yourself to be renewed. From your toes all the way up to your head. Continuing to allow positive change to move in to your energy field. Release the old and replenish it with new energy. Empowering energy, invigorating energy. Feeling so grateful, so thankful for all this new energy. Feeling more and more of those gusts of wind, more and more energizing energy. Not being afraid of this new energy, but embracing it. These beautiful, powerful winds of change. These waves washing over you, bringing even more of that positive energy. Feeling whole, feeling new. Feeling so much more empowered. Taking one last time to look back at that water, that horizon, and give thanks for all these new energies that have come in, for all the old energies that have gone. Replace with this new, replace with hope and faith, knowing the best is yet to come. Coming out of that water now, walking out of that water, feeling that water pouring off of you, carrying with it, letting it drip off your skin, carrying with it anything you don't need to the earth. Continue to walk to the shore, retaining only the positive energy. Everything else is dripped away. Going back now onto the solid earth. As the water continues to drip off your skin, letting go of the old and being filled up with only the new and retaining only the new positive energy. Taking your time to come back now.